Hello everybody, my name is Schepperle and I'm a doctoral researcher in the field of two-phase flow boiling at the IMTech of the University of Freiburg. I'm a project member of the DFG Research Group ProMiSe and I'm proud to show you something of my work today. So what we see here on the right side is my experimental measurement setup with which I investigate two-phase flow boiling in microchannels. If we have a closer look on this measurement setup, we see here at the beginning a sealed fluid reservoir which contains at the moment some deionized water. This deionized water is pumped through a particle filter with a very precise micropump. After that, the fluid flows through a degasser module that dissolves all gases from the fluid. From there, the fluid flows through a flow rate sensor that double checks the flow rate of the micropump. Further, the fluid flows into a temperature controlled preheater that sets the temperature of the fluid to a constant value. So what you see here below this microscope fixture with a high-speed camera on top is the microreactor. This microreactor contains the microchannel in which we investigate the two-phase flow boiling. So the fluid flows in this microreactor into the microchannel and is disposed here at the outlet into a fluid waste reservoir. What else can we see on this measurement setup? We see here a differential pressure sensor that measures the differential pressure from the inlet of the microchannel to the outlet of the microchannel. Then let us have a look on the two-phase flow boiling process. I set the flow rate of the micropump to 1 milliliter per minute, and if we have a look here on the right side, we see the temperature profile in the microchannel, starting with the temperature directly at the input called P1 and ending with the temperature here directly at the output P11. With my linear stage, I can choose the position in the microreactor. Here at the recording of the high-speed camera, we see now a position more or less directly at the output of the microchannel or at the outlet. And if we drive a little bit back, we can investigate different flow regimes of the two-phase flow boiling. Here, for example, we can see some bubbly flow regime. And if we go further, we see how it transitions into a slug flow regime. For example, here we can see the single slugs. What we see here now is a live video of the high-speed camera, and the two-phase flow boiling process is just too fast to see it in real-time speed. So let us capture a video of the two-phase flow boiling. And if we have a look on a captured video, we see now the two-phase flow boiling process a lot slower. And now we can see here the actual slug flow regime.